it may be, reunion is just one day or one evening. You may never see each other again for the next 5 or 10 years, or maybe never. What you say or do is not going to make any difference at all. You might as well have a good time.
Yes. Yes.
Middle age. Are you middle aged?
No.
I think so. Middle age is when former classmates are so gray, wrinkled, and bald, they don't recognize you. It is when it takes longer to rest than to get tired. It is also an age when you stop growing at both ends and began to grow in the middle. It is also an age where retirement is just around the corner and you can't wait for it to happen. Then you find yourself being a babysitter to your grandchildren without salary and benefits. But you are never too old for a happy childhood. After today, we all take different paths in life. But no matter where we go, we take a little of each other everywhere, and the memories of this event will forever be in our hearts and in our minds, regardless of dementia or Alzheimer's that we hope we will be spared. Remember that a real friend is the one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. For those of you who are over 50 like me, cheating. Let me teach you an exercise to help you stay young, strong, and healthy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Begin by standing in a comfortable surface where you have with a 5-kilogram potato bag in each hand. Extend your arms straight from your side and hold them for as long as you can. Try to reach a full minute and relax. Each day, you will find that you hold this position a bit longer. After a couple of weeks, move up to a 10-kilogram potato bag. Then try a 50 kilos potato bag and eventually try to get to where you can lift 100 kilos potato bag in each hand and hold your arms straight for more than a full minute. I am at this level. I do exercise every day. After you
gusto ko, hindi ko siyang speech kay Donald, ako ko na every time ay, good afternoon, Monsignor, we love our rector, Ma'am, Sister Amang, Sister Susana, my best friend during the high school days sa Pulisima. Hindi ko yung classmate, putik sertang. And my dear colleagues, good afternoon. When Tim, si Tim, hindi ako na English. Na English yan. Kung gusto ko yung slip ko, yung laylay niya, change. Si Tim Kunanan, nagkakto sa akon, dala ang likbit niyo. Ano naman na? Siya, ma'am, sabi ko, ano to? Siya, words of wisdom. Ano mo words of wisdom? Nag-speech ako last time nga na, nag-speech naman namin mga class, nag-speech. Faustos? Gusto mo? I can still remember. Sila sa mga Annabelle Lee. Tandaan nyo? It was many and many a year ago. I have been a teacher in literature for 10 years. Sabihin ko, sir, si Mr. Ortega, memorize ko na yung libro yan, ang mga pages. Bailuin naman natin, naway na ginipatan mo natin. May kikit siya. So, kung naibisan, naway na putulog sa libro, ibalaan ko na. So, one time I met Dr. Lisnar, the brother of sa ospital. Ay, siya, ma'am. Nag-around siya. Ma'am, ano ka? Why, kuya, hindi ko yan na-confine ang ako niya sister. Ay, future yan. Sister niya. Ma'am, tandaan mo ni ma'am? Faustus! Faustus! Si Bing, hinay-naya lang, Bing. Nahuyain ako. Sabi niya, ma'am, hindi ka muya, ma'am. May slap with niya sa inyo. Slap. Faustus na sa'yo, dalipat. Hindi ko kita malipatan. Memorize, hindi ma'am ang tunga. Hindi na magpatayo na to eh. Ito makulap. Matunduma ko si Faustus. Ang balat. Ni Ma'am Batuampo, she is telling you, hindi na inaklan. Hindi kinanglan sinig, may taga-kusmon sinig, kaya hindi na mag-isin-isin kita, may estudyante, hindi ka marispito, si Saturn. Yan ang sunod sa classroom. Alright, sana! Sit down! Without notebook, ballpen, libro. Ay ano? Maginatubangan isa ko? Hindi na ako guwapa. That's why, amo na lang ako daw, kuwan man balang ako niya sa mga nabatag. But actually, I was telling some of my students na nakikita sa akin sa reunion, hindi man ako yaga instricta. I'm very loving. Sino sa mga students ko galing. We're going to sing. It's really good to break the monotony. Let's sing it. We will sing. Do you know the song, Those Were the Days?
Yes.
Ay, very good. O sige. Nantikan mo ko. Nantikan mo ko cheater really, okay, how many of you can memorize Faustus? I have a prize. My prize special. Okay, now we will sing.
Those were the days.
Sino pala yung mga yan makanta? Di mo Those were the days, my friend. We thought we'd never end. We'd sing and dance forever and a day. We'd live the life we choose. We'd fight and never lose. For we were young and sure to have our way. La 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 la. where we used to sing and laugh our sorrows. Remember how we laugh away the hours and think about the great things we would do. Oh, those were the days, my friend, with love and never end. We'll sing and dance forever and a day. With the life we choose, with life and never lose. For we were young, sure to have our way. Then the busy years went rushing by us, smile at one another and say, those were the days, my friend, with love and never end. We'll sing and dance forever and a day. We'll live the life we choose, we'll laugh and never lose. For we were young and sure to have our way. Just tonight I stood before the campus. Nothing seemed the way it used to be. In the glass I saw a strange reflection. Was that lonely person really me? Those were the days, my friend, we thought would never end. We'll sing and dance forever and a day. We live the life we choose, we laugh and never lose. For we were young and sure to have our way. Through the door there came familiar laughter. I saw your face and heard you call my name. Oh, my friend, we're older but no wiser. For in our hearts were and the life we choose, we laugh and never lose. For we were young and sure to have our way. Thank you. Good day.
In her message, Ma'am Lydia Rossi. Ma'am Rossi.
Yun na lang. Okay, good afternoon to all of you, my dear students. You know, I'm very happy to see you now. God's blessings na nakakari ako, katubang ninyo. And then I was invited by Taipei. Wow, lain na yung kabuya, kalayo-layo na dyan ninyo. Just try to imagine during that time when I was teaching religion. You know why? ¿Cómo está usted? No hablo español? Okay. El Padre Nuestro, que estás en los cielos, santificado. Dios te salve, María llena eres de gracia, el Señor es contigo. Yo te amo, los salones. Yo te amo. I love you very much. Merry Christmas again. Wala na akong ibang sasabihin sa inyo. I will speak in Tagalog because I am a Bisaya. Ano ang mga batuan ko? Hindi ako kagaling na para sa inyo na speak in English kasi hindi ako nakapa-Amerika eh. Dito lang ako sa punta tabok Rojas. simbahan. Yun lang, 3 lugar. Even to go to the movies, I don't. Kasi ewan ko, bakit ganyan ang buhay ko? But the most important is, I do remember until now, mahal ako ng aking mga eskwela. Like, talaga. My dear friends, I'm not flattering you. Mahal niyo ako talaga. Si Rosini Delphine, hindi ko ginamalitan yung time. Kayo, mga eskwela ko na talagang napakabait sa klasyon. Talaga. Every time I face the class, nobody is angry, nobody is transferring, nobody. You are ready to listen. Ito si Father Godiano, I don't remember. I was sent by the school to attend the seminar, live-in for 3 days. I do not know dahil yung aura ni isang una dahil karon. Nakabait nila. Kaya ito, Ma'am Rosie. Kaya salamat sa inyo. Kaya in-invite nyo pagit ako. I want to see you now. I want to know you more. Ano na kayo ngayon? Sino na kayo ngayon? Ako ganun pa rin. Pero salamat sa inyo, nakilala ko kayo. May mga friends ako. Sabi nyo, mali pa yun, gina ko yung once kabimbog no ako. Ma'am Rosa, sasabihan sa paligid dyan. I was, doon sa utan. Ma'am Rosie, baka naman di sa ako. Hindi pa ako bakal na ako. Malukoy ako. May kabalik niya o ka. Ma'am Rosie, kamusta ka? Magbakliman ako. Hindi pa kung bakal na ako. Nalukoy ako mo. Kayo know why? Ang pagkilala sa isa ka maestra, that's already my wealth. Isa na naiyang kabagay sa ako nga hindi mabayaran sa kwarta ang pagkilala sa isa ka maestra. They are still acknowledging you as one of their mentors. Diba? Pero my dear friends, kung nalaalan yung religion class ninyo during our time, nalala pala nyo ang history sa Newlywed? Sino nalala ang history ng Newlywed? Miss Distro. Ang bagong kasal. Sino nalala ng history niyan? Marami kayong makitang values dyan. History na, religion natin sa religion ka. Ang bagong mag-asawa. I will speak in Filipino ha. Kasi baka magkamali ako sa English. In Newlywed, pagkatapos ng kasal.
Pahanimon!
No! Nag-usap ang mag-asawa. Ano ang gagawin natin para maging happy tayo? Sabing gano'n. So they were wondering, anong gagawin nila para maging happy sila? Kasi bagong kasal. So they tried to go back. They went back to the palace place at sinabi, Monsignor, we want to be happy kasi bagong kasal kami. Anong aming gagawin para maging happy kami forever? Oh, sabi ng pari, Cora, did you remember that? No? Ay, hindi din. Sayang. Oh, sabi ng pari, punta kayo dyan sa Mexico na cross. May malapaliit na cross. May color pink, may color white, may color green, may color blue. Yung pili na kayo anong gusto nyo. So dito, Newlywed went. Pumili silang dalawa. Sabi ng babae, ito lang ang pink ang akin kasi sabi niya para maiksi. No? Sabi naman ng lalaki, ito naman sa akin ang white. Kasi madalim ito ang pasan. Cross. Then yung what is cross, no? Di ba? Oh. So napili silang dalawa. They try to, to start walking. Carry this cross. Nung una, masaya sila sa pagmagaan ang cross. Magaan. So they were happy. They went. Tila na parang bumibigat. Oh, ano ba ito? Parang bumibigat. Mabigat. Sabi ng babae, mabigat din. Pero anong gagawin natin? Okay. Balik tayo. Sabi nga, palitan natin. So they went back again to the Paris place. Monsignor, mabigat ng krus. Parang hindi na namin madala. Sabi ng pari, palitan nyo. Pili kayo uli. Anong gusto nyo? So, pinalitan. They went back again. They went on their journey. Are you journeying? Yes, we are. Baka makalimutan nyo, ha? We are. Dali na, 19 sa 2030 na. Majority tayo, ha? So, they went back again. Carrying those cross. Nung huli, mga ilang hours na kalang pagpasan, sabi ng pari, you are going to cross the river. Tandaan niyo yan? You are going to cross the river. Tingnan niyo, maka-cross kayo dyan, you will be happy forever. Pag naka-cross kayo ng river, you will be happy forever. So they went because they wanted to be happy forever. They continue on walking. Now, sa katagalan ng paglalakad nila, di na nila makaya ang pagpasa ng cross na yun. They decided to cut off the cross. Inutog nila ang cross. Ibana nila para hindi sila magudlayan. Both of them, inutog ang cross. So they continue on walking until they were able to reach the river. So ang problema ano ngayon? They cannot cross the river. Why? Because the cross is now shortened. Malipot na ang ilang cross. Paano kita sinisira? Paano kita makakrus? Kaya ang atong cross, wala masing tunay. Wala kasing maruto ito makakaroon sila. Kundi ang cross kinailan nila. So they went back to the place. Monsignor, hindi kami nakatapok. Kaya naman, wala man tulay. Malapad ang ang suba. Tulay yun ang cross. So, puno ninyo ang cross, kamuhin mo nyo tulay para makakross ka mo sa river. So, nakakross pala sila. They were not able to cross. Why? They don't want to have burden, problem. My dear friends, New Year na, mga naangan, we will be joining again for 1 year. Year 2013. Values to be taught to you. Ano ang gagawin natin for the next year para makakrus tayo sa river na yan? See? So, anong values na makukuha natin dito? You try to think. You try to go and go in order to solve whatever problems we'll be encountering in our life. Mga kaibigan kong magaganda, kaya mga kaibigan kong mababait, now, you are a rising sun. When you were together, we were together at the year 1976, you were donning, the stage of donning, diba? Donning kayo, no? You are rising up, you are struggling to rise up, diba? And now, you are a shining sun. It's no longer donning, but you are. Kami yan, katunod na kami, ako katunod na ako. Kamu yan, kaakyat na. By the year 2013, ano ang gagawin ninyo upang kayo, tayo lahat ay maging masaya? Kasi isa naman ang goal natin. Anong goal natin? To reach the heavenly kingdom according to our religion. Diba? Dalawa lang ng commandment na tinuro sa atin sa inyo, diba? There are 10, pero ito summarize by 2. Mahalin ang Diyos, higit sa lahat, with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your heart. And another one is, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa all. Kilig na ako.
Thank you, ma'am.
I graduated with a major in English, minor in Filipino, but I was assigned or given subject in religion and Spanish. so at least I realize now that God maybe wants me to share what I have learned at St. Mary's College, where I graduated also my high school. So I'm a Marinian. Until now, we are working with the alumni, homecoming every year, also every Easter Sunday. Then now, senior citizen na gidya. Oh yes. So with this religion and Spanish, we were able to have with us Father Villanoy, who is now a priest. So thank God, at least, no? May classmate ka mo nga priest. And according to him, nakuha mo niya kuno ini sa akon mga ginpantudlo, mga partly. Which I have also learned at St. Mary's College. So thank you, Lord. Then I would like also to wish you a Merry Christmas, belated, and a grace-filled New Year. I'm so happy that after more than 30 years, we have seen each other again. So after your graduation, I also graduated from CPC. I transferred to CIT now, Capiz State University. So I retired at the CAPSO for 32 years. I transferred there just to teach English again and Filipino, but I was again made a guidance counselor because my sister-in-law transferred to Iloilo, Visayas. UP Visayas, I mean. So I became automatically a guidance counselor when she transferred because of my masteral degree here also at CPC in guidance and counseling. So muna akong kapalaran man. So I finished 32 years at CIT or CAPSO. So plus 5 years here in CPC. I'm so happy, at least I celebrated my already anniversary with you. Our 38 years in marriage. So I was blessed with 2 sons. Now also tapos naman sila nga duwa. Kagang ako na apo kambal nga duwa ng kababaye. So duwa ka lalaki, nagkaapo ako kambal na duwa ka babae. So wala ako si babae, so I'm so happy. Sa first son ko, I think that's all I can say. I wish you again a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you very much for inviting me. By the way, I have also been to St. Mary's. I hope you can have this because this is the prayer of the Lady of all nations, the Blessed Virgin Mary, be our advocate. Amen. So I'm going to pray ko every day. At least, I become also a member of the Kapawa ni Cristo community or the charismatic group. And I think we are blessed also na we have this prayer brigade always with the charismatic na mapalayo kita sa mga typhoons and other calamities. So thank you. Thank you again.
Okay. Our next speaker, 60 lady, ini siya sa 1976 during our times. Mayad ni saya magsaot. Ladies and gentlemen, Ma'am Excel ko siniya sa iya. Tanan hadlok kuya sa iya. Kung oras niya sa English class daw nalagnat kuya. But I followed her footsteps. I'm an English teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sister Catherine, Ma'am Jusana.
Patanay, daw wala na niya malakot sa imbitasyon sa akong ka. Kapaupay malakot sa balay. Tapos, siling siyang mga gumangkod ko, Tita, si Miss Marty, ara ako. Siling ko, abig, di. Kasi may dulong. Siling niya, di ko lang dali ako siling niya, may ano yun. Hindi ka ba nung magising ko, wala akong kakanto ka? Eh, hindi, may salakyan pa gani mo. Sa lagi na inis. And I'm so happy to see each one of you. Pero I have to excuse me kasi di ba sabi ko kaina, please introduce yourself as you come. May nag-fail naman ko isa. Although, guwapa mo yan mong kataan. Years in the monastery. I just celebrated my 25th silver jubilee. And I think you remember the late Pat de Liotta. Sagin siling ko sa ila, siling ko dali nakamupot ang sakon. Hindi sun sa kumbento. Doon tayo lang sila makuhaan ginhawa. Sigurado ako kasi kumasulod na ako. I did not just enter an active community, but I entered a contemplative community. Yung mga mongha. So, medyo na subong ang rule church. Galing kay may grills pagihapon. Kaya we are not allowed to go out. Ito galing sila ko sa kay Loli. Lol, hindi ako pwede pag mga social gathering. Sila ko. In fact, wala yung Loli. So, that's my new life now. Sa La Union. That is 6 hours by bus from Manila. You can buy our place. It's along the highway. From Baguio, you take Nagilian Road, and it's you will alight in front of our gate. Siling gani ni Orly, inala ko sila ni Andy. Hindi mo na makita si Banji, hindi na siya. Hindi, siling ko. Hindi problema, kaya ako nangatag permission kung sino ang makita. Sino? Hindi problema kung gusto nyo makita. I give the permission to all the sisters if ever they have visitors. No. I am in charge now of the formation of the newcomers. No. So, strict ang magyapon si Ma'am Linyo. Kaya pag dito sa sulod, ang magyapon teacher magyapon sa mga bago nga. So, take charge of who will be admitted and who will be sent out. Masih may candidate pa din. Open naman ang inyong mga little ones. Open. You are most welcome. Ako ma-evaluate ako mag-qualified ka ulit. So, it's in Nagilian Road, La Union. Madali lang makita. Even if you take the bus from Baguio, you just say, I want to alight doon sa monastery. Kasi kami lang ang monastery. So, surely, dito Manila yan. So, I give you just for this, just to give you the kind of life that we have. We are perpetual Eucharistic adorer. And then, baka masyak kayo. Our way of life is very, very far different from the other communities. Una, we only eat twice a day.
It's 9 and 4. Nothing in between except water. No fish in the morning during Advent and Lent time. Vegetable lang. Wednesdays and Fridays is fasting day. It's bread and water. Pero nagtambo ako. Special permission. Even the eating of the meal. So, hopefully, we will people who will pray. Ang ano namin, ang apostolate namin is we offer ourselves as victim souls for priests and religious and to you people. So, kung sa we take it ourselves. Oh, ganun hinayin nyo lang inyong pag ano ha? Sa nakano. Basta hindi na ako makatindog sa niluhod. Pinangayti para sa inyo. Hindi. So,
thank you, ma'am. We will now come to the awarding of plaque and certificate of appreciation. We would like to request Fiscal Timothy Cunanan to award the certificate to be assisted by Mr. Bernardo Arojado, Father Villanoy, and Mrs. Corazon Bisnar Aguiling. Sino? Plaque of appreciation is given to Orly J. Jestro. I will read you the text. Colegio de la Purísima Concepcion, High School Class, Batch 76. Hereby award this plaque of recognition to Orly J. Jestro for sharing his thoughts, knowledge, and wisdom as guest of honor, speaker, and induction officer of CPC High School Class Batch 76 Grand Alumni Reunion, given with all the honors this 28th day of December 2012 at Rojas City, Philippines. Signed, Corazon B. Aguiling, Assistant Treasurer, Secretary, President, CPC High School Class Batch 76, Timothy Cunanan. Itutin sa pamatin. Iya kurang. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Miss Lolita R. Marte. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Virginia D. Oroseo. Ma'am, dito sa center. Kasi no, okay. Ano, tama na. Burn, okay. Ito na. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Miss Lydia Rose. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Elvira Batuampo. Another plaque of recognition is given to Monsignor Policarpio Jan A. Lusa. We would like to request Father Villanoy to receive the plaque of appreciation. 46%. appreciation. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Susan Alisaces Compuesto. We would like to give a souvenir to Sister Mary Catherine. We would like to request Ma'am Jusana to receive this gift coming from batch 1976. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Miss Memneth B. Asarce. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Mr. Glenn Dorado. Another certificate of appreciation is given to Mrs. Corazon Aguiling. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Mr. Virgilio Clavel. Virgilio, another certificate, another plaque of appreciation is given to Milo Balalisaya. Hindi Milo, Asa Americana, I'm sorry. Another plaque of recognition is given to Neil L. Mancilia. Neil, galain niya ibumalan, makapa-Amerika ka. Another plaque of appreciation is given to Timothy B. Cunanan. This, ay, basahon pa ko na iya, president saya. Colegio de la Purísima Concepción High School Class Batch 76. Never mind na lang kung ano ito misprint ini. Another plaque of recognition or appreciation is given to Neil Mancilia. Okay. Reynaldo Langorayan. Plaque of appreciation is given to Reynaldo Langorayan. Then, another plaque of appreciation is given to Glenn Dorado. Virgilio Clavel.
lucky draw na lucky draw na.
Hi. Oo. Kung wala kaya ka rehistro, dili siya nga notebook, nada. Nada, kaya gani. Wala kaya kwaon nga prize. Okay, muni galing gusto nila nga matabo ho. Pagkwaon nanay ang guess numbers, no? Tapos kamo pagbugnuton mada numbers. For example, si Portia, di number. Maestra sila burn ang day mamanay no naaho. Isa-isa lang ha. O sige net. Maestra nay ho. Why na siguro inaya sila number. Ang parehas malang sila.
Number 42.
Parehay ka bala Bernardo. Sa mga classmates tala ma-prevail ang number dayon. Ma, pakibalik na yung mga number dito. Okay. Ipiain nyo na na yaman. Sabihin. Over pa gabuta na sila number ha. Kanang yung classmates ka. Tahan na Cora. As soon as I call your number, please come up the stage and get your gift. Karoon lang kami mabuhat. Kulhi lang nanay. Number 2. Number 2. Please give your number to Cora. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Ito na. Number 3. Number 4. 4. 4. 4. Number 4, 5. 5. 5. Wala pa nag-upload ang 5. 6. 5. Mardet, 5. 6. 5, 6. 7. 7. More. 7. 7. Net. Yeah, Iver. 7. 8. 8. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. 16. 16. 18, 19, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 47, 48. Para birman kami diya matapos, hawa naman yung lamisa. Hawa ng abaniko, hawa ng lamisa. 49, 50, 50, 51. Ara si Ma'am Rosie, ho? 52, 53, 53, 54, 55, 56.
Dito agi sa piyak.
56,
Hindi ka mo agi, dito ka mo manaw sa piyak.
60, 61, 63, 64, 65, gamay lang na karoon akong gear, kaya maulit ko yan. 66, 67, 68, 69, 69, 70, tangkol na. Another gift will be given to Mr. Nestor Canillo for
prices, oh.
Another gift for Magdalena Juliero. Anay Tim Dali Anay. May nag-agi bala nga Santa Claus nga ginapahatag gid ini sa ila. Nya apat. Identify gid niya ni Santa Claus or an angel to give this to 4 of our classmates. Palakpakin man, ladies and gentlemen. Kung sino man asa nga angel, thank you very much. Okay. Palakpak liwat. Ang iba nga mga prizes will be given at Nestas.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 정숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선호해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일